Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Pineapple AI website builder tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Pineapple Builder platform step by step to create a website. The first thing you will need to do once you're on pineapplebuilder.com, and by the way, I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up for completely free. You're going to go onto their page and you're going to tap on the search bar, and from there you can type in the type of website that you would like to create. So for example, I would like to create a blog website for my pet dog. So let's type that in right here. My pet dog by the name of Bruno. So let's do that real quick, then tap on generate. After you have tapped on generate, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you can fill in some quick details. So for example, depending on the information that you have typed in, you will see it fill it out right here on the left hand menu option. So you can see the business name, website language, you can select that, and you can also see business details and target audience. If you would like to change any of this, you can do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next. Then from here you can select the industry and also your website goals. And another standout feature that I would like to talk about that a lot of persons tend to overlook when it comes onto Pineapple Builder is that you can paste in a website URL at the bottom left hand corner right here that you would like to use as inspiration. So if there's a particular blog or portfolio website that you see that you like the layout or so on, you could simply copy the URL, paste it in right here, and then they will copy the information or the layout of that website and use it to build your website. So you can do that right there using this platform. After you have done that, you will tap on next, and from here you can fill in any offers or so on that you would like to add. And if you have any products or services that you're selling, this is where you'll be able to fill that out. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next, and you can add in your brand personality, also the voice attributes and so on, and any additional information. Then you're going to tap on next once more, and from here you can see the different functionalities. So these are basically the features that you would like to add to your website. So obviously I want the blog section, and I'm going to be collecting emails. If you would like to add chatbot, you can do that. If you would like to add payment options, you could do that by tapping on payment. If you would like to add your social feed, you can do that. Or if you would like to collect booking, you could do that, or add forms or pop-ups or banners. Once you have finished, you'll tap on next. And from here, if you would like to hire AI employees, they offer that option. So we're going to simply tap on skip generation, or you can tap on hire right here. So let me tap on that and see what would happen. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and you can see the option starter ideas or personal CV is free. You could select that, but we're going to go back. So let's go back real quick. And we're going to tap on skip generation. After you have tapped on skip generation, from here you can choose your theme color from the left hand menu option. So you can see the different layout colors that you can choose from. You can also choose the text style. So you can select the text style that you would like to use. You can also select the button style right there. After setting this up, you're going to tap on edit in the top right hand corner. After tapping on edit, you will be redirected to a new page. So just give it a few seconds while it is saving the information in the background. After you have tapped on edit, we can tap on skip right here. And at the moment, this is how our website looks. To start editing it, you can tap on any section that you would like to change. And you can start editing the text by tapping on edit right here. If it is a case that you would like to add other elements or so on, you could tap on the plus below it, and from there you can see the text option. You could add video, icon, image, button, star ratings, anything at all that you would like to add to your website. You will find the different elements right here. So you can select a particular element that you want to add. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on section elements, and from there you can see each section. And if we should tap on the second icon, this is where you'll be able to see the website pages. So for example, you can select portfolio and you can see the portfolio page, you can see blog, and so on. And if it is a case that you would like to delete a particular page, you can tap on the three dots in line with the page name. Then from there you could tap on delete, as you can see right here. And this is basically where you will tap to edit the header settings, as you can see right there. And you can also tap on the color palette option from the left hand menu option if you would like to change the website color later on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on publish live page. After you have tapped on publish live page, you're going to give it a few seconds and you can see our website is now live. So if we were to copy this URL and paste it into a new page link, you can see how our website looks right here. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions that you would like me to go more in depth in a particular section on, you can let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching.